So, in today's class, we are going to discuss about while using the different types of sentences, as well as also we will talk about journal English. That how we can use this language in our daily routine life. So, first topic will be that is daily uses of sentences, and it comes under journal English. So, for example, you can take the example of yourself. When you meet a person in your life, suppose you are having a conversation with Rano for the first time. You don't know her, but you are having a conversation with her. Okay. So, what will be the first word? What will be the first sentence we will say? Just tell me. So, first, what you will do? First, you will meet her. Okay. So, when first you will make a eye contact with her. Okay. Then, on the basis of that, if her facial expression was good, then you will initiate further conversation. If her facial expression was okay or not good, then you will also initiate conversation, but not in a longer way, in a smaller way. Means you will have a conversation, but a little bit. Okay, maybe because on the basis of their interest or on the basis of the preferences, whether the person is ready to have a conversation with you or not. So first, when the person was smiling and the person was very much interested in having a conversation with you, then what you will do? Then first you will say hi to each other. Then after that you will shake hand. Okay, and it depends whether you are shaking hand with a female colleague or the male colleague. If you are shaking hand with my male colleague, then it will be different. Then it will be tighter. Okay, your hands will be tight. Then if you are shaking hand with the female colleague, then it will be soft. Okay, these are the certain differences. Okay, not a little bit soft, but it will be so that a little bit comfortable. Okay, so on the basis of that. So first you have a conversation, then you will ask general questions. Okay, so what is your name? Are you being new in the city? So she will tell that my name is Anushka. I'm from Datrenga. Okay, I'm just giving the example. Okay, and I love mustard chutney, red chutney. Okay, she will tell about her favorite foods also. Okay, so slowly, while interacting with the other person, have you noticed during the first day of your classroom, when you all students were new, then the class teacher will come and ask your introduction. Okay, ask about yourself. Okay, then give your introduction. Okay, and before giving your introduction, class teacher also give their introduction. Okay, so so during the introduction, what you will say? So during the introduction, you will tell about yourself. Okay. So on the basis of this general conversation you are having in your routine life, okay, in your daily life. So if you are meeting the another person, means if the person is new and the person is related to your family, okay, means that the person is related to your family. It means that maybe his business is related to her family. Okay, it can be anything. Maybe your family knows your friend, but you doesn't know him. But you have to make a contact with her. Okay, contact with her or him. Okay, it can be the male person or the female person. Okay, so on the basis of further introduction, then you will after the introduction you will ask about her whereabouts. Means you are from which place. Okay, what was your profession? Okay, and in which class you are studying or in which college, and what was the course or degree you are pursuing in your career. These are the certain things that you have to do. Okay, and on the basis of these, then you will initiate further conversation. So these are the very general things. So for example, you can take the example of another thing. When you went towards the restaurant, okay, so you will order something, then the staff will ask you, hello sir, good evening sir, okay. Then she will ask or he will ask what you would like to have. You will have some beverages or what. So you also know some meanings, okay. What was the meaning of beverages? These certain things you should also know, okay. Because these staff who are working in this restaurant, they know these basic terms because they are also instructed to speak in English language. Because this language, while speaking in this language, it will make a great and good impression towards the people. Okay. So if you went to anywhere, suppose it is Domino's, Pizza Hut, or any Indian restaurant, then they will ask you. And if you are speaking in Hindi language also, then they will say in such a good way. Because while speaking also, you should learn how to speak. Okay. And certain things are also there that Suppose they ask that what you will have, so then they will ask that I want to order dal and rice. Then they will ask that which type of dal you want. You want tur dal, tuli dal, chikke ki dal. Lots of dals are there. Okay, kali dal, pili dal. Okay, lots of dals are there. Means and dal in English is known as pulses. Okay, so lots of pulses are there. Different varieties of pulses are there. And in Chhattisgarh state we are living, so Chhattisgarh is known for two things. First is rice, and second is production of electricity as well. Okay, it is known for production of electricity as well. Okay, so rice. So there are different and certain types of rices are also there. Okay, try to understand what I am saying. Okay, so this way you have to initiate the conversation. So these are the general things that you have to talk. Okay. Suppose we are saying that if you are running, don't run in the class. Okay. Talk politely with the other students and with your relatives or with your elder ones. So these are very general topics or general things that you used in your daily routine life. Okay. So then we are also talking about daily uses of sentences. Okay. And this comes under the general English only. So what will be the other sentences? And can anyone give me the example? What are the basic sentences that you will use in your daily routine life in English language? What it will be? First of all, if you are meeting your friend after a very long time, then the first question will be, how are you? Okay. And if you are meeting that person for a very long hour, means 2 hours later or 3 hours later, and you are searching that person continuously, then you will ask, where have you been? So on the basis of certain situation, it will ask. Okay, you can't use a sentence for where have you been if the person is waiting for a very long one. No, then you can ask how are you. Where have you been? You can ask on a certain situation. If you don't know about the whereabouts of that particular person, then you can ask if you're meeting that person for very longer time and you don't know about his location. Then you can ask where have you been. But if you know the location, if you know that Ranu is living in Kandul, okay, it is the name of the place. Okay, it is near Gatarenga. Okay, so if she was staying there in that place, and Anushka knows about her whereabouts, then you don't ask this. But if you don't know about her whereabouts, that she is living in Kandul, but you don't know about this, then you will ask this question: where have you been? Okay, on it based on certain situation. Okay. Okay. So another question comes that this also comes in your journal life. That what you have eaten during your breakfast, okay? What you have eaten yesterday, okay? If someone asks you, some other people will also ask, no? It doesn't necessarily that your relatives, your friends can also ask. If we want to ask, then we can also ask that what you have eaten yesterday in the hostel, okay? You can ask anyone, okay? If your relatives wants to ask whether you are eating proper nutritious food or not, whether you are getting proper carbohydrates or not, everything. Okay? It is not a right of only that mother will ask this question, anyone can ask. Okay? So just tell me what you have eaten yesterday in hostel. I am talking about dinner. Okay? What you have eaten in yesterday's dinner. Okay. Along with chapati or rice. So along with rice, you are having something or only logging something. Okay. Okay. So you have eaten rice with along with dal fry. These two are two different things. Okay. So if someone asks you, then you will mention that yesterday I have eaten dal with rice, okay, and as well as lauki ki sabji with chapatis. Lauki ki sabji. I didn't know the word about the lauki sabji, then I will search it up. Okay, what it will call. So you can say that. Right now I just said the same thing. Watermelon. Okay. So have you got it? So Rishikesh, now he will tell me that what you have written yesterday in yesterday's dinner in hostel. What you have written? Yes. So today in today's breakfast, what you have written? Don't do comedy. During the lunch, what you have eaten? During the lunch today's. Ranu, tell me what you have eaten in today's lunch. Soybean. Okay. Along with what? Okay. And you are having any salads also? Okay. And do you get everyday milk also? Okay. So these are the certain things that you have to mention. Okay. That what you have eaten, what type of beverages you have taken. Okay. Whether you have ordered the food online or not. All such things. Okay. These are the certain questions. Okay. Now another question comes that if you are suffering from any disease, then the other person will ask that what kind of a disease you are facing. What are the disease you are going through? Means you have to mention the disease name. Okay. And how much your disease is very much serious or is it not serious and what impact it has created in your body. You have to mention that also. Okay. This can ask. Okay. These are also very certain things. Okay. Are you feeling well right now, Ranu? Or not? This you have to tell. Okay. So suppose for example, yesterday while she was walking towards the classroom, so by mistake she jumped out of the window. And okay, by mistake. Okay, listen carefully. There, listen carefully. There is a lot of water now, so she slips her leg and she slips towards the window and no, her head get hit by the bus window. बस क्लास से और इधर बस विंडो से उसका हेड इंजर्ड हो गया. ओके, नाउ शी इज इन आईसीयू एंड वी आर कमिंग टू आस्क now and what now Divyansh is the investigation officer. Okay, and she and Anushka, she is the leader. Okay, she is her boss. Okay, she is his boss. Okay, so after that what is happening? After that, Divyansh, who is the investigation officer, he is asking you the details. What happened, Ranu? How the situation comes this, okay? What leads to commit this type of activity, okay? All certain things, okay? Whether it is an accident or someone has played a prank, okay? You have to ask this, okay? So these are the certain things that you have to answer. Okay? Okay. Example. So I am now shifting towards Anushka. Okay. Okay. Suppose Anushka, she gets stuck in where? Listen carefully. Suppose Anushka, she gets stuck in Dalgal. Okay. So Dalgal में फंस गई. Okay. Now no one is here to help her, but only the evidence is her head. Now, head. Yani means, listen carefully. Means her whole body is under the ground. Okay. You are trying your best. Yeah. So these are your friends. Okay. Suppose Sanaz is helping you. Okay. And one of those friends, Rano, is trying to dump you inside. Okay. Okay, and Priya is also there to help you. Okay, she's stuck in the dalgal. Okay, now she's trying to help you. Okay, and Pari and Talas, they are trying to dump you inside the dalgal. Okay, okay, now she turns the bag. Understand what is the situation. Now, then once you get out from the situation, then you will tell about your story, that how you put inside the daldal. Okay. So on the basis of these certain things, you have to tell about the basic questions. Okay. So these are the basic questions that are used in your daily uses life. Okay. Even the investigation officer will. So I have already told you that Divyansh is the investigation officer. Okay. He is investigating the case. Okay. Yes. Now he's trying to rescue her boss. Okay. But his motives are not clear. He's a evil person. Because now you're getting transfer. Okay. And now the new boss is Chandra Vijay. Okay. And we got to know that Chandra Vijay and you both are having old enemy. You both are old enemy. Okay. So he has set a trap to kill you in that dalgal. Okay. Okay. No. Once you rescue her, then you will. Okay. She is stuck in that mud only, in that dalgal. Okay. So only her hand is there. So you are asking for help. Okay. So signaling. She can't speak now. Yes. Only hand is outside. So you can understand this. Okay. Now we are talking about certain things. Okay. Where's the duster? Show me the duster. In the duster. So are you getting it? What are the certain things that you have to do? Never act like this. Okay? Like this person. You have to act like a mature and sensible person. Okay? And second thing is very much important, as those who come late, just understand that what are the basic things that you have to speak during your daily routine life. Means journal questions or journal things that you have to use when you are outside of the world. So suppose I have given the example in the earlier class that suppose if there is a new one, okay? Suppose Chandra and Anirudh both are meeting for the very first time, okay? So for the first meeting, he is a very introvert person and he is the extrovert person, okay? So just a minute. Now try to understand the point, what I was saying. Okay? So suppose if they both are meeting first time, so then they will first what they will do, on the basis of their facial expression, they will talk further. Okay? If Anirudh is very much extrovert, if the Chandra Vijay is very much introvert, then both our body language is very much different. Okay? So what will happen? Then Chandra Vijay will talk less and Anirudh will talk more. Okay? Because they are interacting with each other, now they have realized that if they don't talk, then their work will be pending or incomplete. Okay? Means both are connected with each other. If they don't do their work on time, then it will create a certain chaos during their surroundings. So first they try to interact, then what will be the basic question they will ask? How are you? What is your name? Then he will tell about his hobbies, his foods. Okay. Once the conversation is getting very much excited. Okay. If Chandra Vijay also find that Anirudh is very a good man, very interesting man, then he will talk. Then he will talk further conversation. Okay. So in this way, you will generate your further conversation. So these are the basic things that you use in your life. Okay. So suppose when you visited a restaurant also, hotel also, then have you noticed when you are trying to order some pizza or some bread or anything, if you want to eat something, then first what they will say, hello sir, good evening sir, okay, what would you like to have? Whether you want to have beverages, whether you want cold drink or hot drink, anything, okay. What type of sandwich you want, whether you want this type of stuffing or not. So all such things are mentioned there. Okay, means what in the restaurant or the restaurant also guided the staff that you have to speak in English so that it will create a good impression towards the public. Okay, so if you notice whenever you visit the restaurant or hotel, then you will see if they are speaking Hindi also, na, so there is a code of conduct, proper code of conduct. they know that how to talk in Hindi language also. Okay. If they talk very rudely, then that will show that what type of person he was. Okay. So these are all certain things that are judged when you are speaking. Is it clear? Okay. Now we are talking. Now we are again moving further towards parts of speech. So how many parts of speech are there? Name them. Which one is left? Determiner or interjection? What will be there?